up guys, this is Golden Waffle. Hope you like the preview to my second channel. I'm working on editing and finishing up making that look professional. And I will send you guys a video and a link, a vlog, and a link to the new channel once it's done. So check that out when I send it. And from now on, I will be posting vlogs. Comment on the vlogs and tell me what videos you want me to make next, and I will go out and make them. Golden Waffle out.